Say hello.
Hi, what's going on?
Seagulls are definitely after it. Well, we found out that seagulls don't like drones. Mick's braver than me because he'll sail his over water. But not with the seagulls about. It's just over there. There's the vehicle. So it's just over there. Maybe he's not. It's coming back. We're giving that one up, Mick.
I think so.
The plan was to do a circle around the monument there. It's a war memorial monument, to get some good footage for that. But unfortunately, it's not going to happen today. I don't think. It's guardians, the seagulls, are keeping us away from it.
Bless them. Well, they were bugging us
Don't know what the sound quality would be like because it's really windy.
Windy?
Yeah. But this little drone copes really well with the wind.
Oh no, leave it, leave it.
Oh! Oh! They are really robust as well, and they do bounce.
Don't tell Brenda.
No, she won't see the video, obviously.
What are you doing, mate? Hello. I'm a bit knackered.
So when they say it's grim up north, this is on the northeast coast of Hartlepool. We've got Middlesbrough over there, we've got Sunderland over there, we've got Durham over there. Where Mick gets a little bit nervous because he's set on a circle around the lighthouse, so it's going to go round a bit and it's going to go a little bit out to sea and then it's going to come back in a bit. So and things like this make me very nervous with these, but to be honest, they're so reliable and so good.
What are you saying?
But look at that, that's going to be fantastic footage there. It's flying round, great circle footage. Do you want me to go and spot on the other side of the wall?
I don't think I dare do that. It's too windy.
Okay.
Too windy at the moment.
Here we go again.
How annoying is this?
So I think that's the end of Droney's little day over here. Mick will be getting this video, so I probably won't have a great deal of it on. We'll mix it in with his stuff, I'm sure. So it's good night from Hugo Van.
And good night from the Silver Fox.
See you later.